So we are on our way to go get lunch. I am right on schedule for the Huga boxes that are going out this afternoon. I can't believe it. I was really worried I was going to run behind, but I'm not. So we are under orders from Molly of A Homespun House to get Mexican and coffee because we had a hectic weekend, and so we're taking some rest and relaxation time. So that's what we're gonna go do. It is super cold outside, so I am very bundled up. I have on my Consider the Raven mittens and all the knits, so we're gonna head out. Say hi.
Oh, this.
Huga boxes are getting ready to go. I'm so excited. And since we're back home, I had to put my slippers back on.
So this is Genesis 1, heavens and the earth.
It's like what's on.
Then God looked over all he had made, and he saw that it was very good. And the evening passed, and the morning came, marking the 6th day.
Why do you know? Right here. Hey, we didn't do number 1.
Yeah, we already did number 1.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
The Earth.
The Earth. And hang it up?
Wherever I want.
Wherever you want.
That's a great idea. I think I want to put it. You want it right here?
Yep.
Well, I can't do it. I can't hang it up. Nice. You want video?
It's been a really wonderful day. We had a date and got to go have coffee and sit next to a fireplace, and it was wonderful. We just finished our Advent reading, and the kids are taking a little bit of playtime before we go to bed. I wanted to share with you my sister's exciting news. She does wood burned ornaments. I believe she'll be adding some wood burned coffee spoons soon, like you would have seen that she had at the market. And she does custom Christmas stockings. She actually helped me do Christmas stockings for my shop years ago, and I don't make them anymore, of course, so she is taking that over. She is using the same pattern, my pattern from my Ravelry shop, and yeah, they're really beautiful. I hope that she does well. I mean, I have no doubt that she will do well, but this is her. It's so beautiful. Just a little fox staring at the snow as it's falling down. So I will leave links below to her shop and her Instagram page. Well, and if you feel like giving her a follow, I highly encourage you to do so because her work is beautiful.